In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download, install Hermes Agent and use it completely for free with amazing models hosted by Nvidia. Yes, Nvidia is offering free AI models with hundreds of free requests every single day, including GLM 5.2, Kimi Code 2.6, Minimax M3, and the latest DeepSeek models. It's going to be amazing because now you can use Hermes Agent completely for free. Before we begin, I want to let you know that I got a very cheap AI course with 50 hours of tutorials updated every single week, hosted on Udemy for just $15. Link in the description. If you find this video useful and you want to learn more about AI, check it out. So first of all, you need to go to Hermes Agent and install the desktop application. It looks a little bit like this. So after you do that, what you want to do is go to build.nvidia.com. Here's the link. You want to create an account. It verifies your phone number, your email, and you're good to go. After that, you can go ahead and select any of these models. For example, let's say that we click on GLM 5.2. You will see this prototype start to build with free API endpoint. What you want to do is keep the value of the base URL here and then the NVIDIA API key. Click Generate API key, and you are going to see this field populated. Never share that API key with anyone. So how can you connect this with Hermes Agent? So after you install the desktop application and made it work, you will be able to do the connection really simply. So go on the top right corner, open settings. Then what you want to do is navigate to model and click on this drop down and select custom endpoint. Click set up custom endpoint and it's going to show you local custom endpoint. What you want to do here is copy this link here, this URL here, integrate.api.nvidia.com/v1, paste it here and paste your API key below and click connect. The connection will happen automatically and then you want to open up a new session. So scroll to this chat bar, click on the models and refresh models. What this is going to do is it's going to bring the models that are available on integrate.api.nvidia.com. You see that you will see a huge list here. I see DeepSeek Flash, DeepSeek V4 Pro, Minimax M3, Kimi K 2.6, and GLM 5.2. If you want to restrict the list to the models that you want, click on Edit Models and always hit refresh. And then you want to scroll to the integrate.api.nvidia. You will see a huge list of models. Just close all off except the ones you would like to use. Okay, it's simple as that. Look at all of these models, completely free, offered by Nvidia through their website, and they usually put open source models as fast as they released. So you get around 40 requests per minute, but this of course model and traffic dependent. So if you want to test out Hermes Agent, don't go overkill with it. In my opinion, I think this is a lot more solid than the Open Router option because Open Router is quite restrictive on usage. A lot of times it will fail, as you can see over here. So for more, complete and, more in-depth usage, I would highly suggest that you use the NVIDIA option. For example, here I selected GLM 5.2 and I asked it to create a landing page for me. So that's what it's working on. I'm just letting it work. You can see here it called loads of requests, capturing page snapshot and whatever. So it start working on my task. Again, as I've told you in that video, you want to make sure that you go on capabilities and try to restrict them because these skills and tools are not always needed for your requests. Make sure to check off the ones that you find are not interesting and useful so you eat up a lot less tokens and you make sure that the agent will be able to complete your task. So we can see here it's editing a file, it's creating a landing page for me for today's video. So let's go ahead and see the result that we get from GLM 5.2. That would be very interesting, to be honest with you. And this is the first view of the website, the self-improving agent now running on Frontier open models for free. This is not done locally on your computer. You use NVIDIA's GPUs, NVIDIA servers to do it completely for free. And this website looks kind of good. GLM did a very good job with it. It's quite detailed, it's quite amazing, looks really lovely. And it's completely free to use, which I find to be amazing. And they've got so many models, so many powerful models that we get completely for free. And yeah, I think this is probably the most solid way to use Hermes agent with free models. I find this to be completely powerful. I absolutely love it. And yeah, this is all for today's video. Hopefully you found this video interesting, helpful. Again, make sure to check out my course on the description. You will love it. You will learn so many things. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye.